Think you can sneeze with your eyes open? Well, think again. So, what really happens if you try? When you sneeze, your body goes into autopilot. Your eyes shut involuntarily to protect them from the pressure and particles flying out. It's like your body's built-in safety feature. No, your eyes won't pop out if you manage to keep them open. But it's super tricky because sneezing is a reflex action. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, embrace the blink. Hit that like button and subscribe for more fun facts.